Living in Milton, Massachusetts, means experiencing the full range of New England's weather, from freezing winter winds and spring rainstorms to humid summers and coastal nor'easters. While this four-season charm is part of what makes the area special, it also puts your home's exterior, especially your windows, to the test. That's why more Milton homeowners are investing in impact-resistant windows, designed to provide exceptional protection against wind, debris, and temperature fluctuations. These advanced windows not only safeguard your home from severe weather but also improve energy efficiency, comfort, and peace of mind year-round. Here's how impact-resistant windows help homeowners in Milton stay prepared for every season. Engineered to withstand harsh New England weather, Massachusetts weather is anything but predictable. Between heavy snowfall, high winds, and occasional coastal storms, traditional windows can struggle to maintain their integrity. Impact-resistant windows are specifically built to handle these challenges. Unlike standard glass, these windows use laminated, shatter-resistant glass that stays intact even when struck by flying debris or strong gusts. The secret lies in the interlayer, a tough, transparent film bonded between glass panes. If the window is hit, the glass may crack, but it remains securely attached to the interlayer, keeping wind, water, and debris out. This makes impact-resistant windows ideal for Milton homes, especially those in areas prone to nor'easters or winter squalls. They offer year-round resilience, ensuring your home stays protected no matter what nature brings. Enhanced energy efficiency for every season. Weather protection isn't just about withstanding storms. It's also about keeping your home comfortable through every temperature shift. Impact-resistant windows are designed with multi-layered insulation that helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Key features include low emissivity coatings that reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter, double or triple pane glass for superior insulation, argon gas fills that reduce heat transfer between panes. This combination helps Milton homeowners lower heating and cooling costs, reduce energy waste, and maintain comfort throughout the year. Whether you're battling January's icy winds or August's humidity, your windows will help regulate your home's climate efficiently. Superior noise reduction for a quieter home. Milton's neighborhoods are known for their charm, but proximity to main roads or busy areas can bring unwanted noise. Impact-resistant windows provide an added benefit: sound insulation. Their layered construction naturally blocks outside sounds, creating a calmer and quieter indoor environment. Whether it's traffic, construction, or wind noise, these windows help you enjoy more peace and relaxation inside your home. Added security and peace of mind. Impact-resistant windows aren't just about weather protection, they also enhance home security. Their durable, shatter-resistant design makes it much harder for intruders to break through, offering an extra layer of defense for your family and belongings. Even in the event of an attempted break-in, the laminated glass stays firmly in place, preventing entry and deterring further damage. This dual-purpose strength, protection from both storms and intruders, gives Milton homeowners peace of mind every day. Protecting your home's interior from UV-damaged sun exposure is another year-round challenge in Massachusetts. Over time, UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Impact-resistant windows include UV-blocking coatings that filter out harmful rays without reducing natural light. This means you can enjoy bright, sunlit spaces while protecting your interiors from fading and discoloration, preserving both your comfort and your investment. Built for longevity with professional installation to perform at their best, impact-resistant windows must be installed with precision. Professional installation ensures airtight seals, proper insulation, and full compliance with Massachusetts building codes. Local Milton experts understand how to adapt window systems to withstand the region's temperature swings and moisture levels, ensuring your windows perform optimally for decades. With professional installation, you'll enjoy long-lasting protection, improved energy efficiency, and a flawless finish that enhances your home's curb appeal. A smart investment for Milton homeowners. While impact-resistant windows represent a higher upfront investment, the long-term benefits far outweigh the cost. They reduce storm damage, improve insulation, enhance security, and may even lower insurance premiums due to their safety features. More importantly, they add lasting value to your home, a key advantage in Milton's competitive real estate market. Final thoughts. From icy winters to stormy springs and humid summers, Milton's changing climate demands windows that do more than look good, they must perform under pressure. Impact-resistant windows deliver the strength, energy efficiency, and peace of mind that local homeowners need. By investing in professional installation and high-quality materials, you're not just upgrading your home, you're fortifying it for the future. With impact-resistant windows, your Milton home stays secure, efficient, and comfortable through every season New England has to offer.